Koreans eat sticky and starchy short grain rice. Compared to long grain rice, it is very short. I made 3 rice bowls to show you the difference. Basmati doesn't really work. Jasmine, there is some degree of stickiness, but it won't last for hours in the lunchbox. And Korean rice. Look how firm it is. Each grain really stick onto each other. You may not like its stickiness and starchiness, but that's the number 1 preferred characteristic of the rice by Koreans. Alternative choice for Korean rice will be kaldos or Japanese rice. Just remember, not all the short grain rice is sticky like Korean rice. 1 Korean word a day. Rice, 쌀, cooked rice, 밥. Are you ready to cook 밥? Click the link on the left. I'll show you how to cook. 안녕!